Subscribe on Yoruba Gallery TV to enjoy more visual concepts.
This is location of ORU traditional film produced by Toyosi Adesanya. We are in the costumier room now, and as you can see, she has all what it takes to be a costumier, not just a pass-by costumier. She have all the full house, all the shekere, all the apashe, everything that is needed in ORU production is present here. And as you can see, we have a makeup artist here. She has already made my big auntie up. Toyosi Adesanya. Yes, this is ORU production, traditional film. It's not easy to make a movie at all. It's not easy to make a movie. Just come down and see what we've been doing here. This is the second day on the production. This is the second day on location, and you can see the omidons. We call them the omidons of the village in ORU traditional film. It is one and only film. It's not easy to make a movie.
Ẹjọ́ má lọ mọ́ nífẹ̀ẹ́ mi, èmi náà sì nífẹ̀ẹ́ má lọ mọ́.
Ó ti yé mi, mo ti wá rí báyìí pórí rẹ̀ ti burú. Tó bá tó bẹ́ẹ̀ dúró dè mí mò ń bọ̀.
Okay, still in the location, the production of a movie called ORU, produced by Toyosi Adesanya. Sister Toyosi Adesanya, I would like you to say one or two things pertaining to the movie you're producing right now.
Thank you very much, my brother. Once again, I'm Toyosi Adesanya. I'm an actor. This movie, ORU, that title is a working title. We are still working on the title. And it parades, stars. The movie is something to write home about. Though I've encountered a lot in producing this movie, but glory be to God. I know it's going to be a blockbuster, and it's an epic movie. It's a cultural movie, to be precise. It's all about a woman, Ejide Agbomola. She's having child problem. She now gave birth to a girl, Malomo. That Malomo, she's from another realm. I can see Ogbanje realm, though she did not give that woman happiness. It says a lot about our own African culture. A woman suffering from childbirth, barrenness. It's good if I in Yoruba land, if you don't make child. I can say is omen. I can say it's omen. It's not good for our culture for a woman to be barren. So that Malomo really gives Ejide Agbomola. And the climax, the movie has a lot of anti-climax. I don't want to say we have a protagonist or antagonist in that movie, but that movie says a lot about African culture. I pray all women in Africa, in the world, will not lose any of our child.
Amen.
Malomo, she has caused a lot of encounter, a lot of misconception between the woman, the character, the lead character, and Malomo as the sub-lead character in the movie. and there are a lot of pantomimic dramatization, a lot of eulogy, a lot of our own natural endowment. You know what Yoruba film is all about, and I pray that all of you who are clamoring to have a thing like this, God will crown your effort. Àti wípé ẹni ìlú ni ó ń sọ fún ọ pé bó bá fẹ́ sùn kó dàyà bolẹ̀ àbí kó dẹ̀gbẹ́ sùn. Mo rí bẹ́ẹ̀ wo ó jẹ́ ṣọ́ra rẹ àṣírí rẹ ti tú ebe mi náà kúkú mọ̀ fábí kó àgbà ní ọ tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ ó padà lọ síbi tó ti wà ní kò sì ní ṣojú èmi èjìdé mo lè wá kúlẹ̀ ní o kó tẹ̀lé mi lọ́la o. And this movie is written by Hassan Taufik Abisogum.
The director is here. You can hold on and listen to him. Please, can you tell us about this ORU traditional film produced by Toyosi? So as you can see, they are still very, very busy with their scripts.
Assisted by my amiable brother for long, Sunday Alabi Oshibata, my own blood, who has been a big support of this movie. Ibrahim Olaleye, my White Cowries Entertainment Group, led by Biodun, Yemi, Ejiro, all my, I cannot say they are my apprentices. Now they are my children, because you see one of them, Ajokeni Konjumilo, and my lovely actor who paraded the movie, starting from my baby. She's now the baby of the house, Eniola Ajao. I fondly call her superstar. I know she's clamoring higher by God's grace. Same goes to Biodun. She has been my pillar of support since inception. And my actor, Fatai Adetayo Odua, my Oga at the top, Alaji Ayola Biyi, my Abeni Agbon, my Sukomi Omo Bolanle, my Iya Yoni, my Iya Matan. Just to mention few. If people can remind me, am I making mistake? No. If I don't mention your name, let me know. Yes. Yes. My brother, Olori Ebi, my God, all the way from Ife. I cannot but mention my PM, my troublesome PM, my naughty PM, and to my darling brother Adigun, and to crown it all, I cannot do but mention my Odigbo local government people, my Adigun, I said my Odigbo, and my great of the greatest association, Tampan. So I love you all. More of it. Agba, why are you behaving like a moron? So this movie, everybody, come closer to me and say God will bless this production and the work it
Please subscribe on Yoruba Gallery TV to enjoy more visual concepts.